if it is not beautiful, then I'm not the one that creates the adverb. So this one is as beautiful as always. And guess what? I'm going to use this material with me. It is aso-oke, but it's not yet joined. So I'm going to just fold it into two. In case you have aso-oke and it is not yet joined, don't panic. You can still rock it like that. So you see, I just folded it into two at length. Then I place on my head after I folded a bit in. Then I take the excess backward like this, dividing it to be equal. So I'm going to take my time and give it a knot here at the back. So once that is being achieved, I'll go back to the front and adjust the necessary part. Now I'll work with the excess at the back by gathering everything together, and it's time for me to twist both parts. So watch my hand and see the way I'm going to twist each of these parts of the material. So I've gathered all the material and it is time for me to just twist it like this. Like you are twisting your hair, just roll it and cross the two together like this. Okay, we're going to cross it and begin to twist it. So you're not going to twist everything. To some extent, we're going to twist it to this extent. Okay, then we have this remaining part here. So I'm going to grab up like this, fold the two, and use my band to firm it up. So once I firm it up with my band, then I'll gather the excess again and continue with my twist. So I'll take my time and continue with my twist. So I'm going to twist till the fabric is being exhausted, and once it is being exhausted, I'll secure the excess at the back like this. So it is time to work with this one here. Nothing serious. You're just going to dip your hand in and pull out. You know there are two, so you separate them to the side and pull out the fabric bit by bit. So we're going to have a flowery shape like this. Use your hand to adjust it to form the shape and add a brooch to beautify. And guess what? You are ready for that owambe. Until you tell someone that this fabric is not yet joined, that is when they will know that the fabric, which is the aso-oke, is not yet joined. So this is what I have and I love it. What about you? Let me hear in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.